in this garden, there's a rather unattractive garage over that sits the other side of a very beautiful wall. But there's no real route or sense of I'm entering a garden. Owners of this property needed to change this patio area. They were having an access ramp built for the granny annex and wanted to be able to create some sort of entrance into the garden that looked attractive and hid the tired paving, but that joined the whole space together. So what we decided we were going to do was create a seating area just beyond where the patio was, because this enabled them to look at the expansive views they had at the other end of the garden. But you needed to have a reason to walk from the back door out to this space, and we needed to find some way of joining things together. Now in this instance we were going to use a lot of decking. So the access ramp was built with some raised planters, and then we've created some angled decking with a slightly different height in it, which once we've paved it you can see joins these spaces together, but because we've changed the angle of the decking it gives us a direct route out to the garden. Now we still have this awkward garage to hide, but again we can mirror the decking slats with horizontal slats above the fence to just enclose it all in. The planting, because this was a fairly exposed garden, had to be fairly tough and robust and minimalistic. So we weren't going to put big shrubs in. So we've put in plants that will dance and move with the wind, and then given ourselves an access to the raised seating area here, which again we can soften with some planting. Because the roof is dark, the fencing is dark, we've painted the planters a really dark colour, because that will help offset a really bold, bright colour that we can introduce into these planters. And the finished result looks good, doesn't it?